I've gotten a lot of emails from people that like to do art. There's a lot of artists out there. Now I know. And so this is for all the artists out there that want to use neon as their, let's say, their main art display, or let's say they want to complement some other piece of art with neon. So what I'm offering is to make the neon for you, the artist, that you want to put on your art. The only thing you have to do is make a drawing and send it to me by email to scsneon@gmail.com. I'll put the address on the video also. So that way you can do all the art you want to, and then you send me the drawing. I'll blow it up at the size that you want. I'll make it, send it back to you, and you can install it on your sign. I'm gonna do here a small demonstration as what it could be. In this case, I'm using wood as the background, and I'm using this. It's a face that I made some years ago, but it looks like something that's artistic. And also I'm going to install this, which is just a curved neon. I'm going to put it here. Now, and this art piece, just the face of the lady here, just by that, it could be just like that. But if you put this, then now it looks like a swimmer with the cap that they use. So that's what I'm going to use. Now, I have to bring I didn't bring my drill. Now, like I said, this can be mounted on anything. It can also be mounted on metal if you want to. The only thing is you have to take a little bit of precautions with the metal. But in this case, I'm going to use this clip-ons to mount this on wood. Very simple to do. I'll start with this one. Now, of course, you can do a better job if you want to. This is just like to demonstrate. I'll leave the move out. So in this case, I'm going to have to make two holes. One for this electrode and the other one for this electrode. So to make the holes, I'm going to take this out. On the back, I'm going to put a transformer. Well, on the back you put a transformer, and you put the wires through the holes. Like I said, this is just an example. You can make whatever you want to with your art. And then you put your covers so that the wires are not visible. One there and the other one here. And then you plug it in. And you have a beautiful art display. This is art. Beautiful art. Wow. So for all the artists out there that want to do neon, they want to incorporate neon in their artwork, you only have to draw whatever you want in neon. Then you send it by email to the email that's going to be at the end of this video. And I will let you know if there has to be some modifications to your design. And then after everything's sorted out and modified and everything, I can give you a price. You mount it over whatever you want to mount it in. You install the transformer. I would only do the neon. I can sell you the transformer also, and I can sell you the stands. The most difficult part, of course, is making the neon. So there you have it.